Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to Dad's Toys and Cars. So a couple days ago, I took a road trip from Colorado back to California, but not to move back here, just to visit and did some work. So I got a chance to come back to where it all started, Socal Tint Shop in Riverside. So this is the place that I did my first video about Tesla on my channel. So this is the place that I came to install the tint on my Model 3 2021 Model 3 and also the tint on 2023 Model Y too, also PPF on both cars. So today I got a chance to take my new Model Y Juniper back here. Well, newer car, not new, so it's been a year now, and as some of you may know, I have replaced the windshield twice on my Model Y Juniper because of the rock chipped on the windshield, and the latest one was really big. So I got a chance to come back here to meet with G, and he has something new to install on my windshield. It's a windshield protection film, or similar to the PPF that you put on the car, but this one for the windshield. So it will help protect the small rock chips from, cracking your windshield or start a big crack. So that's why I'm here. Also, I'm installing the tint on my windshield too, because my windshield just being replaced, so they took out the old tint. Well, the old tint stay with the old windshield. So today we'll be installing both, and I'll share the experience with you how they look after it's done, and a quick how G and his team will install the windshield protection film. Now let's go. All right, finally I get to come back here at Socal Tint Shop in Riverside. I miss this place so much. They're probably the best. I wouldn't say one of the best in Southern California that I know. That they can offer, they offer tint, expel tint, of course, also expel paint protection for the whole car and tint for your whole car. They do tints on all the panels, on the Model Y, Model 3. If you want, you want the tint on the roof, on the glass roof, they do that too. All right, let's go inside.
And you're looking for late August?
Hey G.
Hey, how's it going?
Good to see you.
Good to see you again, yeah. Again.
Finally, I get to bring back my newer car back to you to install something new. So what are we doing today?
Today we're gonna work on your front windshield. We're gonna do interior exterior film, and to make you ready to go back to Colorado.
Yeah, we're gonna have a long road trip, 1,000-mile plus long road trip.
I'll show you a process from A to B, from tucking in ropes to put everything back, removing trims, putting it back, and after finished product.
Awesome. So which one are we doing for the tint on the inside?
So we'll be doing an top of the line XR Plus 70, which is pretty much clear, just to reduce some heat and to cut all the UVs, UVBs, UVA. Yeah.
The paint protection film on the outside, right?
Correct, yeah. For the windshield protection film, we'll do, again, expel product, and we'll do after.
Right, the windshield protection film. So, so that's something new. Which one would be easier to install? The tint for the windshield or the windshield protection film, in your opinion?
Personally, I think it's like, I can't tell you which one is which, but I think if you're detail-oriented, everything is possible.
All right, let's start with the tint. And yeah, I think he already prepared everything for the tint. He already shrink the tint. It's over there. Let me show you. All right, so this is the tint for the windshield. This is XR Prime Plus. This is the best for heat protection, because the drive here from Colorado was brutal. It was a long 16 hours of driving, and without the tint on the windshield was really bad. So driving back to Colorado would be a lot cooler this time. best part of Socal Tint shop, and the part that I love and most customers love is they care about your car. They cover everything, even your seat, the whole dashboard, also the soaking rope. So when they do spray a lot of water while they're installing your tint on the windshield, the rope will soak up all the water and soap, so it doesn't go through your speaker in the front. That's the reason why a lot of people come back here to Socal Tint shop too. All right, so they also remove this part of the A pillar here. As you can see, it's just one single piece for the headliner piece. So when the liquid goes in there, it doesn't soak up on the headliner, because the headliner has that fabric material that will soak up all the soap and the water there. So yeah, some places don't, some places do. I mean, I guess is the better way to do it, so make sure he's doing it right.
Cleaning is the key.
As you can see, I think he cleaned like 5 times now. To make sure there's no dust or residues, or with the blades too, with the razor blade. Make sure there's no dust or residue in between the tint films and of course the windshield. So yeah, make sure, because when it does and you don't clean enough, you apply on the films, it's gonna be a hassle, and it's gonna be so much longer time to correct it later. Okay, so as he was cleaning it, this is like a 6-7 times with the soap. Guess what? From the trip, this is a brand new windshield, probably 2+ weeks old. We got a tiny chip from the trip with no crack. So thank God, tiny little one. I was like, please, no cracks before we get here, because we're gonna do this. I knew we were gonna do this. I was like praying the whole time, driving 16 hours here. But hey, that's the best we can get. I'll take it. All right, finally time to apply the tint film after, I don't know, 220 times of cleaning. There you go. So he cracked, this one opened up a little bit. He didn't remove. See the camera cover on the inside where your rear view mirror is. So he cracked open a little bit, so he able to kind of insert the tint, the film inside, as you can see. So this is 70%, it's basically almost clear, because you don't want it to be dark. It's a front windshield, but I want it to be heat protected from the extreme heat on the drive. The hottest during the road trip that we faced in Utah was 108 degrees, and it was super dry heat. And inside the car was so hot while driving because we have nothing to protect the front windshield. I have the top roof sunshade, the power roof sunshade. Let me show you. See? So that helps a lot. Still though, the windshield doesn't protect the heat. So this time going back will be so much better. Little space right there he cracked open, so the film would go inside.
So basically it's a clips in there, you just
pop it in There you go. So the tint on the windshield is done. It is not the easiest thing to do, but because of his, I don't know, 20 plus years experience, he made it look easy. Now we just have to, take everything out, put the panels back in, and then we're gonna start with the windshield protection film. So here's the soaking rub.
This is what we get every install. Not much, but
yeah, all that water.
It takes a drop.
Soaping water, yeah, helps a lot. All right, so this is the actual paint protection. I mean, the windshield protection film.
Here, Jim. Grab that.
So this is the film itself, right?
Yeah.
So it has to have some thickness so it's be able to absorb the impact from the rock chip. Otherwise, there's no point putting on it. And one more thing I forgot to mention, that Socal Tint Shop is an official partner with XPEL, and they do have die cuts for every single car, so they don't have to do a manual cutting and it will perfectly fit to the car, because they usually 3D scan every cars before they create the die cuts. Same as the windshield protection films, it would be a little bit different, of course, from a lot different, because let me show you. The tint film on the inside, because you have to install the inside, only goes up to, you see where the black part is on the windshield. The windshield protection film wall goes from this edge
don't cover.
to the other side. So you see all that black part, the tint doesn't go in there. So the shape of the die cut would be different from the tint film on the inside. And they have the hood protection from the water getting there wet or soap. Well, they always protect everything on your car, so it's nice and clean after the installation process. So it's the same process here. Of course, you have to really clean the windshield here. So this is the exterior, which is, it needs more cleaning than the interior, because all the dust and dirt that you drive through every day, it will keep collecting, and some of them you don't really see it. So it has to be really nice and clean, no more dust.
Okay. Sure.
So when you do install this, it's pretty much the same process as the regular PPF on the car body, right? G?
Yeah, TPF is stretchable. You can still a little bit stretch, but obviously you don't want to stretch. This material, once you tack it, you better not to stretch, otherwise you could have what they call chicken skin. Right now we just, I'm just, what they call floating. I'm just floating. I'm gonna take a harder squeegee and do final. This is, I mean, today is really hot, so you kind of have to
Do it quickly, right?
yeah, before
It's hot and dry. windshield protection film is done. It's basically almost to the edge right here. As you can see the film, and there, all around, all the way to the bottom here, the bottom that side, to this part right here on the edges, and then almost to the edge of this side. So usually impact about like at least 2-3 inches inside the windshield. But this one almost to the edge. Like my last time, the worst one was the impact right over here, which covered with this, and it was a small little chip. Not only it does protect the windshield and protect sandblast, and also protect the film on the inside. Remember, I put in the tint film inside. So like last time, I replaced the windshield, I lost the tint on the inside. So even though the windshield was protected, was covered by Tesla windshield protection, still I lost the cost of the film that the tint film on the inside that I did. But yeah, now it's all protected and it's cooler inside when we drive back to California. So how much would it cost to do the windshield protection if someone is interested for the Model Y?
So Model Y, we charge $500 flat out the door price. That comes with a 1-year warranty.
All right, and the XR Prom
Plus we charge
for the tint.
For the tint, it would be $300 based on average cars. If you have a Sprinter van, it's going to be a little bit more, for example, but on average, it's $300.
Yeah, thank you so much, G, and it was awesome to see you here. And I get to bring my car from Colorado all the way back here for you to install both the windshield protection and the tint. And if you guys would like to come in for tint, paint protection for the car, or windshield protection, where can they?
Yeah, just give us a call, or you guys can go directly socaltintshop.com and you'll find some little bit more info, or you always can text to that number that you find on the website as well. We usually go through emails, you'll get a response for sure in 24 hours, and yeah, or you can, like I said, you can direct call.
What's the address here?
It's a 2025 Chicago Avenue, Suite A1. We're basically in Riverside between Spruce and Columbia, facing a main street. You can't miss it. We have a signage in the front. We have plenty of parking. And yeah, just give us a call.
All right, so that's it, guys. I'm glad I get to bring my car back, as I mentioned before, and get to see G in person again. I miss Socal and G. Thank you again.
Hey.
Thank you for your awesome service. Check out Socal Tint Shop. Check out on the website, and I will list all the information down below this video. And thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. And don't forget to click like if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. See you on the next video. Peace.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down.